This one strategy I want to share with you today is what enabled me to make over $5,000 selling one digital product. And just in case you think it is impossible, think again. I was able to use this one strategy to turn my digital product into something that generates me massive income every day, every week, and every month. So when it comes to making money online, one of the most lucrative opportunities is creating and selling digital products. Not only will this generate you passive income, but it has the potential to reach a massive audience and bring you significant earning every day, in fact, every day. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down this one strategy with you. I'm going to be sharing with you my approach and how you can replicate this same process that I've used to get results that are very significant and tangible. So get ready. I'm going to also be walking you through how you can also use ChatGPT to also come up with ideas and all of that, all involved in this video. Now, one of the biggest struggle that many persons face when trying to create and sell their digital product is probably that lack of direction. And I feel like many of us went through that same situation. I remember myself doing that. For instance, you might have this great idea, but you're not sure how to bring it to life or how to even market it to your target audience. Another issue is lack of marketing knowledge. You can't sell if you cannot market. That is just the truth. So even if you have a fantastic product and you don't know how to promote it, it's going to flop. Like the big brands that we know, they are all doing marketing. So let's be real. Creating a digital product can be overwhelming. It's an interesting journey. Oh, you're thinking of the fact that you want to make money, but remember that you have to promote it. I've seen people spend hours, even days, creating a product only to launch it and they're only hearing cricket sound. It's frustrating, I know, and it can be demotivating. And this can make you want to give up. But don't give up yet. Just watch this video to the end. So in the next few minutes, I would share with you this one strategy, how I was able to do it, how you can replicate it and start making success by selling your own digital product or by creating your own digital products. I've once created a video on this. You want to check it out. Now, my journey began with a lot of trial and error. I spent countless of hours trying to research, testing what was working and what was not working, implementing different strategies. I read books, I attended webinars, I invested in course. There was one course I bought for $2,500. All this effort is to learn these secrets that I'm going to share with you today. Now, this strategy is just simply identifying a specific pain point. I said a specific pain point. Your target audience will have different pain points, but for you to be able to create a product that can sell and make you money, you need to start by identifying one specific problem and focus on it. Think of your audience wants. Think of what they are currently struggling with. Think of their biggest challenge. So instead of creating a product that you feel like your audience needs, create a product that your audience wants, a product that can solve a real problem for them, and you will get paid by that. Now, because the money is in people, and for you to actually get that money, you need to solve a specific problem. So ask yourself, what problem does my audience have? What problem are they currently going through? And how can I solve it for them? Now, once you're able to identify this, because I need you to be able to know this, you're going to head over to ChatGPT and use this exact prompt that I have here. It's going to help you identify the specific pain point of your audience, setting you up for a targeted and successful digital product. I'm going to pull that prompt right now, copy this prompt, put it on ChatGPT and use it to come up. Now, because you already know what area you want to target, with this prompt, it will be easy for you to pick out what you specifically need. And just in case you think this strategy is simple, yes, it is simple, but this was the same strategy that I implemented in finding the pain point of my audience, and I started seeing sales. My audience were they love the product, and my product is a digital product. It's me, it's a service, I'm teaching people. So it helped me to being able to know that this is a struggle. I had to sit back, discover that this was a struggle that needed to be solved. Now, because this product was able to solve a problem, again, it's not just about making the money. I'm able to see the impact that it has on people's life. the best part of this strategy is it can be applied to any niche, any market, any audience. It's a universal principle that works. So if you're tired of struggling or like creating products that are not selling, why not just take a moment and think of what your audience wants, not what you think that they need, and it's going to change everything for you. The truth is also creating and selling digital products is an incredible way to make money online, right? But without the right strategy, it would always flop. If you follow this simple suggestion that I've given you today, you'll be surprised at how much money you'll be able to make. That's because you're solving a real problem. I want you to also remember, like what I usually tell my students, that anybody can create and sell a digital product regardless of their experience and their expertise. What really matters and help that product to stand out is either how you're able to like promote it, how you're able to like solve a specific problem, or how you're able to like talk about what you have created. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment on this video. And I'm excited because this is day 3 of my 30 days challenge of creating content. I feel like this period I'm using it to like understand what my target audience are really looking forward to like seeing from me. So I would really appreciate if you let me know in the comment section what kind of content you would love me to create, content that can also be beneficial to you as we go on this journey together. Let me also know in the comment section what your thoughts on creating digital products are. And if you have like any question about this strategy that I've shared with you, also let me know if you're planning to create your digital product. If you have created your digital product, have you been able to make sales and all of that? And let me know like your struggles. I'll be able to like provide perspective. In between, I teach digital marketing, yes, and I'm currently teaching like the cohort 2 of my training. If you're interested in learning digital marketing, how to create your own digital product, how to like sell your own digital product, check the comments below and you'll see the description to my course. Feel free to check out the videos in this channel, and trust me, you'll be able to learn 1 or 2 from me. And I cannot wait to see you in class.